Welcome back to Finance for Beginners. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your forgotten password and regain access to your account on the Remitly application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Remitly application on your device, and once you are taken into the login page, you can tap on the sign in button. You will now be taken into the sign in menu. From here, you can sign in with your Google account or your Apple ID. These methods will not require your password, so you will be able to log in without using one. If you have signed in using your email address, then you will need to tap on the Forgot Password button. Alternatively, you can also log in with an email code. Tap on Forgot Password, and now just enter the email address that you used while signing up for your account. After entering the email, tap on Continue, and now you will be asked to enter the 6-digit verification code that has been sent to your inbox. So just check your email, and you will find your verification code. Just enter this code and tap on Continue. And once your code is verified, you will be allowed to create a new password for your account. Go ahead and type in your desired new password, and then type it in once again for confirmation. Finally, tap on Reset Password, and now your password has successfully been reset. You can tap on Continue to log into your account using your newly created password. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on the Remitly application. If you find this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.